Welcome to Mr. Sachs's Avid class. Today's topic is Cornell Note-Taking. The objective of this lesson is to show how Cornell Note-Taking can improve your study habits and raise your test scores. Some basic advantages. Methods for mastering information. They're efficient and they are sequential. Materials you would need Cornell note paper or basic loose leaf paper. Why should you take Cornell notes? They help you work on assignments and study for tests outside of class. They stimulate critical thinking skills. They help organize and process information. They help you recall information and use your notes multiple times and in multiple ways. This is a sample Cornell note paper. You don't need specific Cornell note paper. However, you can use just a basic loose leaf paper and set it up in a Cornell format. It is a format in the process that is important, not the paper. Cornell note paper should have a heading, and in that heading you would have your essential question. And today for this lesson, our essential question is, how are Cornell notes different from how I have taken notes in the past? Before the lecture, you should fill out the heading. First, you need your name, class period, and subject, your date of the lesson, your topic or objective, and your essential question. During the lecture, all your notes will go on the right side or the big column. Also during the lesson, you need to learn the paraphrasing. This helps you save time in your note-taking process when you're listening to a lecture, reading a text, listening to a video, watching a video, doing a project, etc. Skip lines between the main ideas. This helps you go back and separate those topics and align your questions with them. Learn to abbreviate. This saves you time and space when you're taking your notes. Use phrases. Use bullets and lists. Recognize clues from the teacher. A lot of times teachers will say, you might want to mark this is important. That's an indication that that's probably going to be a test or quiz question. Use an outline style, diagrams, pictures, and graphs. After the lesson, it's important to highlight the important information, cross out non-essential information, star, asterisk, any information that might show up on a quiz or a test. You should always compare your notes with a partner. Having a partner to compare your notes with helps you fill in the missing or the blank spots within your notes, those things that you may have missed. After the lecture, you're going to be writing questions, subtitles, and headings, and those will go on the left side or the small column of your note paper. When you generate questions, make sure they're good study questions. Your questions should reflect the information on the right side. Those questions should help you study. The information that might appear on a test, information you don't understand, and gaps in your notes. These are the types of questions you should write. Those questions are designed to stimulate that critical thinking skills. Phrase the question on the left side to help you recall the information on the right. Identify the most important pieces of information. You're going to do this at home tonight with your notes. You're going to look over your notes 1 to 3 minutes, write a 3 to 4 sentence summary, And in your summary, answer the essential question and your questions on the left. When you finish your notes and you have marked them up and you've crossed out information, you highlighted stuff, your notes will look messy. That's okay. They probably should be, because that shows that you've actually gone back and reviewed your notes. And to help you study, cover those notes. Rework, answer the questions on the left. If you can do that, you have gained the information that you need to study for a test. Look over your notes frequently. Underline, highlight important information. Cross out unnecessary information. Meet with your partner. Fill in missed information. Generate 2 good study questions in the left column. Tonight for homework, what I'd like you to do is ensure you have 2 good study questions on the left. Set a timer for 3 minutes or watch the clock and do a quick write summary answering the following question. How are taking Cornell notes differ from how I have taken notes in the past? You should be taking Cornell notes in all your academic classes. In closing, I hope you gained some useful information, and I thank you for your attention.